Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. So, in our previous part, we have discussed about the basic knowledge for civil site engineer, and here in this video also in part 2 I am going to discuss about points to be remembered for civil site engineer. So, as a civil engineer, some basic knowledge we should gain, and for that I am going to do that. So let's start, and if you're new here, you can watch a previous video that already uploaded in the playlist of civil engineering basic knowledge. So let's start. So first of all, we'll see about we'll learn about the density of materials. So it is very important to know about the density of materials, because suppose some bar are coming in the site, and if you don't know its density, then you cannot maintain that quality, or you cannot maintain that weight or something like that. So for that you should know about the density of materials. So for brick it's 1600 to 1920 kg per meter cube. For concrete block the density should be 1920 kg per meter cube. And for reinforced concrete, for only concrete, and for reinforced concrete, I mean if the bar are available in that concrete, I mean for our beam, column, slab like that, so its density should be 2310 to 2700 kg per meter cube. Then we'll know about another important topic, curing time of RCC member for different types of cement. I mean for which types of cement, which day will curing our concrete member. So for sulfur sulfate cement, I mean if we use sulfur sulfate cement as a cement for our construction work, then we have to curing our that concrete member for 7 days. And if we use ordinary Portland cement, OPC, then we have to curing our RCC member for 10 days. And for 10 days you have to remember about that days, cause almost for every construction work ordinary Portland cement are being used. Okay, so in my previous video I have discussed about that almost all production of cement, I mean in for overall production of cement, the ordinary Portland cement is 80 to 90%. So you have to remember that about that 10 days. And for minerals and admixture added cement, if the cement are added with admixture and also minerals, then the curing time should be 14 days. So after that, here desurring time of different RCC member, and already in our on previous video I have discussed about that. For RCC member, for column, wall and vertical framework, our desurring time should be 16 to 24 hours, and it should be according to the site engineer or engineers, and it is suitable for 1 days to 2 days. Then soffit framework to slab, it's 3 days. Then soffit to beam spruce, it's 7 days. The beam is spanning up to 4.5 meter, it's 7 days. Then beams spacing over 4.5 meter, it's 14 days. Then arcs spacing up to 6 meter, it's 14 days. And arcs spacing over 6 meter, it's 21 days. I'm just discussing about that very first, cause already I have uploaded a video about that topic. That's why I'm going to discussing about that fast. And if you think that if you need to know about that topic in detail, so you can watch our previous video. So thank you for watching, and like our video, and share that video how much possible, and don't forget to support our channel School of Civil Engineering. So if you think that that's helpful for you, just press the like button and leave a comment. Your own comment and your own like inspire us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.